So today we will go with your basics of ABAP, all of you. So see ABAP, all of you. It's an advanced business application programming language. So ABAP is a programming language, no doubt, but it's a business programming language. So definition is what? Is a programming language used to develop business applications. So as a developer, as an ABAPer, as an ABAP consultant, we build what? Applications. This is our objective. So what type of applications we develop? What is an application? All of you. What is an application? What does application will do? What is an application? See, all of you, we have in our mobile apps, Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato. Okay, what is this? These are applications. So applications are apps. What does it will do? It performs some task or activity. Yes, sir. So application. Now, what will be the definition of the application now? Is a set of programs. Set of programs. We perform some task or business activity. Say, for example, you have what now? You have your Ola or Uber app. See, if you take some 10, 15 years back, if I want to travel from one place to another place, what I used to do, we used to struggle a lot. You know, to go out, search for auto or vehicle in summer, winter, rainy seasons. Okay. Now what we are doing, sitting at our home, booking a cab, at your doorstep, you are getting vehicle or not. So who is performing that task? App. We are not going. App is doing that activity. Similarly, some 10 years back, if you are hungry, if you want to eat something, do tiffin or some dinner. So we used to go out, look for a hotel, search it a lot in a rainy winter, summer season. Now what we are doing is just ordering. I mean, you place an order, you'll get it. Swiggy, Zomato, lot many like an apps are there. So you don't need to struggle a lot now. Shopping online also. You have Blinkit, Amazon, lot many Flipkart, lot many online shoppings you have. So previously you need to go out, supermarket or nearby shops, struggle a lot. You are booking and doing your office work at your doorstep you are getting. So what I want to tell you was these are all apps which is doing some activity. Similarly, in an organization, we develop an application. What type of application your company want to know? What are the sales your company did? What are the sales activities going on in your company for a year, for this month, month wise, quarterly wise? Okay, fortnight. You want it. Then your app will help you. Na? So, how many sales your company did? Each sale, example, I'm telling. How many items you sold? With how much of quantity? What is the unit price? What is the net value? Currency? To how many customers? This data you want or not? In a small kirana shop also he'll write sponsor everything. In a medical hall he'll write everything. What are the sales going on? So at higher hand you want some reports, screens, tables. Yes, sir. So how do you achieve this? We as an ABAPer will develop these apps by just user clicking it within a second, microseconds, he'll get a very good output. And he does the analysis and he'll rectify what mistake they're doing, what to do, how to go. Complete analysis end to end they'll do. Yes, sir. So as a developer, we build these applications for SD, MM, HR, all the modules. So what is an application? It's a collection of programs. Set of statements you have. Are you getting the point? So you have programs. How do you have these programs? In the form of declaration part, in the form of some processing, some calculation, in the form of some printing. Set of statement commands are. So your application is a set of program. What is the program? Collection of set of commands. Are you getting the point? So in short, application is a set of programs which perform some task. So therefore, SAP provided different program types to build the program. They are first one, program type 1. This is executable program. Next, program type M. This is module pool program. Next, program type I. This is include program. Next, program type S. Subroutine pool program. Next, program type F. Function group. Next, program type K. Classes. Likewise. So in all these cases, if you see, let me, very simple thing you see. In these program types, all of you see the simplicity. This is the only and only one executable program. Remaining all are what? Non-executable program. Remaining all are what? Non-executable program. Don't think application means you write thousands of statements. No, no. Very simple statements you write based on requirement. Okay, within no time you can write.
We can create an app using ABAP.
Programs will create. We'll create what? Programs. App is what? Application, which contains internally set of programs, set of code. Same thing now. Huge apps, Ola, Uber apps will not design. Simple apps. You're getting the point. Like purchase orders.
सर ABAP में ओला में क्या यूज होता है?
Huh?
ABAP ओला में कुछ यूज होता है?
See, each and every businesses. For example, supermarket. DMart, you know, they have implemented SAP. Why? See, SAP is a module which gives supports, software which gives supports to all the departments. SDMM, HRFI, PBP, it integrates and gets it. I'm getting the point. So now, within no time, what all the orders given, you can process it. You can generate delivery documents by your delivery notes, billing documents, etc., and use to the customer. So your business process very fast now. And say in India, you have number of demands. All data will be centralized, and you can have a good all your activities you can trace it because in the single software you have all the activities. What SD is doing, what MM is doing, what HR is doing, what FI is doing, PPP, everything you have a control. Single software is doing your department people no need to run here and there and collect the data. No, everything is there in the SAP itself. Are getting the point. So for example, you need to read an order. So DMart or any organization purchase some raw materials, finished goods, semi-finished goods, yes or no? So do you think immediately they'll purchase? No. What they'll do, they'll do inquiry. Then they'll give quotation. They'll get, once they do inquiry, number of quotations from different vendors will get. You'll choose optimized, a quotation which has very good quality with less price. You'll choose it, for which you will give a purchase order. Then they'll do the delivery with delivery data, document data. Then you do payment. Likewise, hundreds and thousands of transactions will take place or not? Where do you keep it? How do you trace it? SAP helps you, sir. I'm getting the point. So one-time product, once you purchase now, to lifelong it works in your organization. So in short, how do you develop these applications with the help of these program types? So there is only one and one program, which is program type 1, called as executable program. Remaining all are what? Non-executable. What is executable program? What is executable program? Well, basically, what is a program? It contains set of commands, set of statements. Yes, sir. Yes. So executable program is what? What does executable program will do? Anybody? So program is set of statements. So executable program will execute. Program is what, sir, all of you? Set of statements. It will execute it and you will get some output. Yes. Result you will get. With result output only, na, your company does analysis. For example, for understanding, I'm telling, you are not well. You are going to hospital, going to clinic, anything. You are okay for 1 week, again you are not well. Internally, something happened to you. Something happened to your body. So what doctor will do finally? He'll go, he'll tell you to diagnose it. Blood test, everything will do testing. Go for that. So once you go for diagnose, so you'll get report. Seeing that report, he will prescribe you. So the report will help each and every department, whether he's a doctor, whether he's a organization, everywhere. You take institutes, you take educational departments, your degree, BTech, MCA, based on output only, na. Result only, na, you will go on your educational department comes to know who is doing what. Yes, sir. So in short, your executable program when executed will give you what? Output. And that is called as report. What is this? Report. These executable programs are reports, man, purely reports. What about non-executable program? Non-executable programs are also contain set of statements. It also contains what? Programming set of statements only, no, sir. But if you cannot execute it directly, if you execute it, you will not get any output. Then how to use them? These set of statements are called where? Executable, yes, executable program. For example, see, your company is there. What your company will do, you take IBM, Wipro, more than 1 lakh employees are there. So every month end, you need to get salary. Salary to be credited to your bank account. Each and every employee has salary breakup, HRA, allowances, your medical, your house rent, and your, if you take your motor allowances and variable pay or fixed pay and helper allowance you have, petrol allowance, net allowance, lot many things, parameters you have, depending on grade to grade. Based on that, your salary is calculated or not. So each and every employee has a different salary format or not, structure or not, yes or no? For all 1 lakh employees have same salary format? No. Salary structure will be different. If you're a manager, salary is different. If you have a COE, CEO, okay, CFO, okay, likewise, salary differs. So this formula, do you think for 1 lakh employees you have 1 lakh formulas? No, sir. Single formula will be there here. And that for that formula, you pass the parameters, respective parameter data, and you use it and call it. Are you getting the point? And that is present in the form of subroutines or a function. You have a formula in the form of a function. Function group is what? Group of function. So you have a function means functionality. So you have function is a formula kind of thing. On the Excel sheet also you have multiple calculation part. You'll pass different value, automatically it is calculated or not? The formula. So in short, all these include program you see. If you have an idea in C language or any other programming language, at the top we have hash include. What the use of it? Some declaration part. At the top we have variable creation, constants, user defined data. And what we will use, we will include that in an executable program. So in short, name itself tell you, see the SAP ABAP is so user friendly. See, subroutine pool program. What do you mean pool? Pool and group both are same only. Dictionary meaning, man. Group means set, collection. Pool means collection. So collection of subroutines. A program, all of you, a program, collection of what? Subroutines. What is a subroutine? Set of statements. Subroutine is a set of statements, function is a set of statements, program itself is a set of statements, whether it is executable or unexecutable. Difference is executable program set of statements are executed to give output. Non-executable set of statements will not give output. So in short, non-executable program set of statements are just containers which contains group of functions. You use them. I am Irfan, I can use, you can use, all the people can use.